In the fields of San Jose City, Nueva Ecija, the day starts early for Arnold Dizon, one of the many farmers supplying bulb onions to Jollibee Foods Corporation, or JFC. These days, he is finally reaping the fruits of his labor, a huge improvement from the difficult life he had previously led.
Panapanahon lang din ang presyo. Hindi po pare-parehas. Minsan tataas, minsan bababa. Kung nasubukan na namin yung tatanim kami ng produkto, wala namang bumibili.
While farmers like Arnold were hard-pressed for demand for their produce, JFC was in constant need of a reliable supply of quality ingredients. As the corporate social responsibility arm of JFC, Jollibee Foundation bridged the gap to form a new type of partnership. Collaborating with the Catholic Relief Services, or CRS, an international organization that provides technical support to farmers, JFC launched the Bridging Farmers to the JFC Supply Chain program in 2008, which evolved into the Farmer Entrepreneurship Program. CRS, with the support of the local government unit, gathered interested farmers and helped them develop their own enterprise plan using the clustering approach.
Nabuo po yung 30 barangay. Tinanong namin kung willing silang pumasok sa Jollibee. Kung nga po, pumayag naman sila lahat. At ang problema nga pong una noon, paano kami papasok, saan kami kukuha ng puhunan?
With the National Livelihood Development Corporation, or NLDC, getting on board the program, financial aid came from an accredited microfinance institution called Alalay sa Kaunlaran Incorporated, or ASCII. The San Jose farmers formalized their cluster as the Calasag Farmers Producers Cooperative. With training experience and financing support, they proceeded to their first test delivery to JFC, which also became a test of their character.
Hindi po namin nakumpleto yung 60 tons.
Bakit po?
Gawa nga po nung nagkaroon ng problema. Tapos marami pong na-reject. Sinabayan pa po ng ulan. Yan po unang pagsubok namin nun.
Both of us are also learning. So you just keep on trying and trying until you get to the right combination.
Learning from their mistakes, the farmers attacked their second delivery with renewed vigor.
Binigyan po kami ng volume na 197 metric tons. Kung muna kisama ng po panahon, lahat po yun na ibuno namin. Lumampas po kami ng 235 metric tons.
With the farmers' increase in confidence, they approached the Department of Agriculture for post-harvest facilities, which allowed them to meet JFC's demand for increased volume. Soon, Calasag was also supplying peeled onions, which sold at a higher price and created jobs for other barangay members. Gradually, the farmers' hard work paid off, with their gross income increasing by more than 100%.
Meron din pong iba nakabili ng mga sasakyan at yung ibang mga alas nila, natubos na rin nila sa mga pawn shop.
Indeed, change went much deeper for these farmers as they learned the importance of management and professionalism.
Tulad ko sa isang mahirap na magsasaka, ay nasusubukan kong nakikiharap sa mga matataas na tao, nakikihalubilo. Kaya po yung mga apat na ahensya rin, hindi ko naman kilala yung mga yan.
But this success story does not have to end with the Calasag farmers. To create a much bigger impact, the small farmers need more companies to open their supply chains.
Wala kami sa kinatatayo namin ginhawang ganito, kundi dahil sa apat na ahensya na yan. Sila po ang parang bumuhay sa amin na magpanibagong buhay ka.
The Farmer Entrepreneurship Program, creating a momentum of change, transforming small farmers to become successful entrepreneurs.